guys, today's video is sponsored by Valerie! Yay!
Naman lagi haba le lagadi na. Kajal over.
See. So that's what you see about this tire.
Alright guys, this is the tire. I'm gonna show you for the last time. This is the tire, it's all gone. The grips are all gone. Only the side part, it's left. This is not good. When we do the cornering and all, it slips sometimes, so I have to change it today.
And so guys, I have to go along with my younger brother. I need him because he has to carry the old tire when I got the new one. Say hi. Hello beautiful people, what is up? This is me, John, and on my back it's my younger brother. And today we're gonna change the tire, the back tire. At first we're going to head to the KTM showroom, and then we're gonna ask about it. If they don't have it, then we're gonna go to the market, the big market, and then we're gonna buy it and change it. So stay tuned guys. So this is the KTM showroom. It's not only for KTM, but then we'll find here Bajaj bikes and all. And on the first floor, that's a KTM showroom. I really like this bike. It's a 390. Here they sell a Bajaj, and then this side is for a motorcycle, and then this is for an auto rickshaw or tractor. duke390 tire legi ro. Tire shi price kya unle ni?
Na ba brand yang mo
oh ta ke duke390
adum hayo
MRF sai da phang shi ki no se makha se phang ro.
phangoi si bazaar sa lai ka.
Oh adu shin budi shi shin hon ba ya bro?
Shin ba
ya roi ba. So luckily there was no tire at all, and they don't sell it, and I have to go back now. And so guys, now we have to go to the big market. No.
Naman lagi haba le lagadi na. Kajal over.
See. duke390 ko. Kaya da.
Ay ahum da lobo ne.
Ahum da.
Insurance number lo ya pulap da. Sahi mare ba ko. Lockdown ni ko. Go di.
Nang layo, nang kita layo pa bunsi siya.
Ha.
Nang kita layo ba?
Isa no pa gilay ba? Adi ma di offside da musang gidore ba? Dili dong musang gidore ba? Patien tambane ba? Ko. Adi element troga adi. Mayang ba gilay ba adi ko? Adi thajang re to. Adi ma thorok pa de ne. Ma thola di sahi adi hum le ni ba da. Adu ko mo atopa mo lai ki to ba.
Kaya da yun ki to ba siya?
Ay na 3 da lobo ni. I 2.60 gumba pa me. Lockdown ni sutong di.
So guys, this is the 390, duke390. It's on sale, and I think the exhaust it's changed. Yeah, it's changed. This is not a stock exhaust.
Sina original ni. Sina na zero sama to bune ko. Showroom lai na ada. This showroom lai.
So guys, this bike is bought on November 2019, and they rode only for like 4,991 kilometers. And so if anyone is interested in buying this bike, please DM me. Today's video is sponsored by Valerie! Yay! She watched the last video where I was at the 0-point view, and then she saw my video. I was talking about the gripless tire, and then she told me that she wants to help me buying the tires and all, and so with the help of her we can change the tire today. Thank you, Valerie. Let's all say thank you, Valerie, and in the comment section, because she helped us a lot, and then she buys us a tire. So that's what you see about this tire.
Alright guys, so we took this as for a new tire. We're gonna switch the old one with this new tire. And so guys, for your information, this line drawn here, it means it's new. So if you buy a tire and if the line is not drawn, then don't buy it. It means like it's used already.
We just bought the tires and now we are heading to the workshop for the fitting. And this is Toyato. Oh no, yeah, it's Toyato. This area is known as Toyato. So guys, about the tire, it was above my expectation. It was so costly. And here is the only KFC. The only KFC in Manipur. This area is Thamaiban. If anyone is from Thamaiban, please comment down below, guys. And the only Domino's, the one and only Domino's sits here. Manipur Assembly Hall. It looks like a Taj Mahal, the smaller Taj Mahal. But it was not built by Saddam.
Oh no, don't hit our bike like that, man. See the white linings? These are all the threads which came out because of the tires are as the tires are all gone, and now we have to change it. There we go, that's the old one, and now we're going to replace with this new one. And now we're gonna fill in with nitrogen gas.
Let it breathe. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. And thank you for watching the video. Until then guys,